हाय, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो ऐसा कभी कभार होता है ना कि हम किसी से बहुत अच्छा दोस्ती कर लेते हैं एंड उससे हैंग आउट करते हैं, टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, अपना सीक्रेट भी बता देते हैं, पर उसके बाद थोड़ा टाइम बाद जाने के बाद पता चलता है कि दैट पर्सन इज़ नॉट गुड and that person is good but that person cannot be a good friend for you at least। selfish behavior भी करते हैं, फ्रेंडशिप की वजह से दिक्कत होते हैं भाई। तो in this video you and me we are going to discuss about 5 kind of people we should really avoid and I would rather say you should not be friend with। okay? तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Number 1, who is always jealous of you. This kind of friends are really interesting because they have a really sugar-coated tongue. But when you do anything or anything good, they will come up and they will criticize you. And after that, they will say that they just want you to help, but you get really demotivated because their criticism is so harsh and not so healthy, and they does it because in their mind secretly they're really jealous of you and they always hope that you do not do anything good in your life and they criticize you, that's why so harshly। okay, so this kind of friends are really jealous, let them go, be happy and stay away from this kind of people। okay, too much criticism is also not good for us because criticism is really negative if right word is not being used। 2, one who insults you जस्ट मजे में। एंड मैं तो ये यकीन के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि ये वाला सीन हम सबके साथ हुआ होगा, क्योंकि हम जब किसी के साथ, किसी फ्रेंड के साथ हैंग आउट करते हैं तो दैट फ्रेंड समटाइम्स इंसल्ट्स अस जस्ट टू लुक गुड और लुक कूल और लुक फन इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल द पीपल, बट trust me, this is not the right way। sometimes when you protest that person, that friend will come up with new idea and they will say don't take it negatively, you just can't take any kind of sarcasm, this was just sarcasm, yeah, don't take it this way। but let me tell you one thing, if it hurts you and if you are feeling insulted by this joke, then take it seriously because we all have some kind of boundaries and standard that we really need to maintain all the time। we have to be very aware that nobody can actually come into your boundaries। okay, and that person, that friend जो ये इंसल्ट वाला हरकतें करते हैं वो क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हो सकते है कि वो अपने लाइफ में हैप्पी नहीं है, हो सकता है कि उसका जो नेचर है वो ऐसा है एंड वो नेचर अच्छा नहीं है, पर आपसे क्या मतलब है ना? आप अपनी लाइफ की हैप्पी रखो ना, आप उससे ना मिलो, आप उससे फ्रेंडशिप मत करो। जिसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप करने से यू आर फीलिंग इंसल्टेड, तो क्या पॉइंट है भाई फ्रेंडशिप करने का, राइट? तो जस्ट स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन। थर्ड, वन हु गॉसिप विथ यू ऑल डे लॉन्ग। तो let me tell you one thing, that gossiping is fun, gossiping is important and we all do gossiping with our friend and this is completely natural। we do gossip about people, that people will gossip about us and that's completely okay, but the problem is we all have that one friend who is always into gossiping। okay, and that is really bad for our growth because when we go to school and then college then workplace, हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वक्त ना फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही बिताते हैं, and that is why it is really important to share your ideas with your friend and to share your vision, to share what you want to do in your life and to share what your ambition is and to share your intense complex emotion। so always make sure that be friend with that person with whom you can share all those things and can gossip at the same time, and by this way you will grow, your friend will grow and ultimately it is important, ultimately growth is important। Fourth, one who puts you in difficult situation, and I think this is the most important point in this video, and this is obviously from all the teenagers friend, because when we are in teenager stages, we are in our adolescence and we know really nothing and we start to learn about everything, about people, about what we actually are, and that's completely okay, and that is the beauty of this time. But the problem is at this time we do not know nothing, and that is why we can't really understand people, and that is why we end up being friends with such kind of people who are very bad for us. That kind of friend can really put you in difficult situation. That kind of friend can really introduce you chatta and nasha, and they can introduce you and say that it is completely normal to criticize any girl. They can say, oh, it is completely normal to insult your principal, and they really help you to cheat sometime in exam and in other cases. And when you got caught with all of these people, they kind of leave you behind and they just run away, and you are always in that bad situation. And it happens, man, it happens. Okay, it's not just a hypothetical situation that I am speaking about. It happens everywhere, especially in teenagers, and nowadays, and it is increasing. So all I want to say that just open your eyes, and if anyhow you are feeling that that person is kind of invite you in a wrong place, just don't go. You have your own knowledges. And ऐसा हो जाता है कि कभी कभार ना हम समझ नहीं सकते हैं कि क्या अच्छा होगा हमारे लिए, एंड हम टीनेज में होते हैं, एज आई ऑलरेडी सेड. बट ultimately you have to understand that you are the driver of your own life, so drive well through the right way. That's all I can say. And अगर आपको लगता है कि ऐसे काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड आपकी लाइफ में थोड़ा बहुत अभी है जो आपके डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में पुट कर सकते हैं, तो उसको छोड़ दो भाई, अभी के अभी उसको छोड़ दो, खत्म कर वो रिश्ता. एंड फिफ्थ, हु गॉसिप अबाउट यू बिहाइंड योर बैक. ओके, ऐसे काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड तो हमारे लाइफ में बहुत होते हैं, जो हमारे लाइफ में आते हैं कुछ हेल्प पाने के लिए. We share our feelings, our secret with that person, thinking that yeah, this person could be a good friend of ours, but they do not. And वो जाके दूसरी फ्रेंड को और किसी और को वो सीक्रेट एंड जो भी कुछ है वो बता देते हैं, उसके बारे में गॉसिप करते हैं. But the hard part is we don't really understand that kind of person until or unless we get a really good proof. तो ये तो बहुत चैलेंजिंग फ्रेंड है. पर मुझे लगता है कि अगर अपना जो आई है वो थोड़ा खुल के रखोगे, अपना जो सेंस है वो थोड़ा ओपन रखोगे, एक्सपीरियंस के साथ साथ आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कौन सी फ्रेंड अच्छा है, कौन सी फ्रेंड अच्छा नहीं है. एंड अगर आपके पास कोई भी प्रूफ है कि दिस फ्रेंड इज काइंड ऑफ using my secrets against me, then just be aware and don't be friend with all those people. क्योंकि सीक्रेट जो होते हैं और आइडियाज जो होते हैं वो बहुत कीमती चीज होती है, एंड लव जो होते हैं ना वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव चीज होती है. सो वी डू नॉट वांट टू वेस्ट आवर लव, आवर सीक्रेट, आवर आइडियाज telling all the people who do not deserve to listen all those. Okay, and I would say if you are not sure about anyone that person is really good for you, don't just always let your heart flow. Okay, just take your time and understand that person and read that person, and this is how you will be able to end up being with good friends. And sometimes it can happen that you do not have any friend to share your own feelings, and that's completely okay. It is okay na to share your feelings with wrong person rather than do not share. Okay, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हुआ होगा आप लोगों के लिए. If it is helpful, then please like this video and comment down below, share this video. And if you feel like that this video can really help anyone, any friend of you, then just share this video with that person. सबसे ज़्यादा important, subscribe to my channel, and this is going to be the best thing ever happen in my entire life. तो आज के लिए वीडियो इतना ही. Everyone stay happy, stay healthy, stay very very positive. Okay, bye bye.